When you want to embroider an alphabet, touch the first folder for your built-in fonts. So I'm going to just choose the first one here. You've got a keyboard that will allow you to do uppercase and lowercase. So a lot of people love their names on things. So you notice that it comes up really big. It just happens that this size technically fits in the smallest Bernina hoop. Now I don't own that smallest Bernina hoop because it didn't come with it, the machine. So that would be one we would purchase separately. So right now I'm going to go tell it which hoop I plan on using. For example, the oval hoop, and then that way I've got options. When I touch the I next to my letters, I will have options such as making it move left to right or up or down. You're going to notice we'll use the stitch width and stitch length knobs for a lot of things. For moving it around and getting it fine-tuned, you can also touch and drag the letters and it will move within your screen area. Now here is an option. If you just push center, that'll take it back to center, but let me show you one more thing. If you actually have some numbers there and anything that's yellow, if you touch a yellow box, it turns back to 0. So that's a great way to kind of get back to a normal setting. We also have sizing where you can size it larger. Once you size it past the hoop size, the hoop will turn red. And that's an obvious, hey, you're too big. And then you can just reduce it down until you fit in there. Look, we could take that up 200%. That is something truly Bernina has done very well. You want something enlarged, bring it in, make it bigger. You want it reduced, you can reduce it down. It does take out or add stitches based on your design. Now do keep in mind that if I had a really detailed design and I'm going to try to make it really, really small, it's still going to want to stitch all that detail. So just make sure you're not like pushing too much detail together and it almost turns into a mushed together design. But I could sew this at full size and I could even, if I wanted to, I could even rotate that 90 degrees and keep making it even bigger. And wow, here we go. We're almost 300% bigger. Still in the hoop, now I'm out. Okay, so you can really see what your options are. It is just fantastic here. When you're ready to go sew, touch the needle and thread. It takes us to our embroidery screen. That little blue bar was kind of calculating stitches because now it went ahead and added time to how long it's going to take. It's going to take me 27 minutes to stitch this out, but then I'm ready to go. When you're done, it'll tell you it's done. If you're ready to just come back out of it, like right now, I can touch the folder and return out of here and even go all the way back to the home menu and start with another font and maybe an initial this time. It's going to bring it in, tell me which hoop it best fits in, and then you're going to tell it which hoop you are going to be using. And then we can play with that. And boy, isn't that quick how fast you can move around and choose different fonts anytime you want.